the genes, we know very little from our genes. We need more research. And this is what 23andMe and many other companies are now doing. They're collecting data. Because here, read this carefully. The secret is in here. Your entire genome is huge and much more than anybody knows what to do with. A company like 23andMe has a 100-word glossary. Every month now, there are new scientific studies that are finding new correlations between genes. New words. Oh, this has something to do with breast cancer. This has something to do with your bone porosity. But we don't really know the grammar. We don't know what affects what. And so what we have now from 23andMe is an annotated essay. Yeah, but how do these words all connect? We don't know. So the early users of 23andMe are benefactors, much less than they are beneficiaries. Anybody who's getting their genes done now, other than people looking for very specific things like the BRCA for breast cancer or some very, very deterministic diseases, is by and large contributing to the body of research, we hope. And so at 23andMe and other places, we ask people, the irony is it's much easier to get genetic data. It's digital. Once you've got it, it's pretty clear. It doesn't change. What changes is the meaning and the connections to the phenotypes. As I showed earlier, we don't know how these genes interact, but this is me. I think this is my marker for diabetes. And so, some things seem to protect me. Those are the green ones. Some things seem to make my chances of getting it worse. And as I said earlier, my behavior probably has more impact than almost anything. Other little things genes will tell you are your reactions to certain kinds of drugs. And I actually believe the most useful thing that genes will do over the next few years is help people predict their responsiveness to various drugs, whether it's a question of dosage or will this drug help me at all, will it have toxicities. These are things that tend to be easier to pull out than the complex interactions around various conditions, most of which have a multiplicity of interacting causes. Also,